Hello everyone, this is John McKenzie from meandwealth.com. Today we're going to talk about passive income in 5 minutes or less. As always, hit the subscribe button below so that you can be the first to know when we have videos. Also go to meandwealth.com to get free weekly personal finance emails. With that said, let's jump into this topic and have some fun. Before we begin, let's start with our agenda. Let's discuss what is passive income, how does it work, what are the different types of passive income, and here are some ideas for those who have money to invest as well as for those who don't have money to invest. As always, let's start with the definition. Passive income is an income stream that requires little to no effort to earn or maintain. So you could be at work, on vacation, spending time with the kids, and you're still bringing in income. This is very powerful and one of the fundamental steps to building wealth. So we've broken down passive income into 3 types. The first is going to be investment income. The second is business income, and the third is royalty income. Starting with investment income. Investment income is the income derived from stocks, bonds, annuities, certificate deposits, real estate, as well as other investments. This is a revenue stream that requires you to put up money first. Money to purchase the stocks, the annuities, the rental property, and so on. The second income stream we'll talk about is business income. Income that's derived from you being a silent partner in a business. You start in a business such as a vending machine business and hiring somebody, or a laundromat or a storage unit business. Again, these are income streams that require you to have the cash up front to make these purchases, but require little to no effort on your part. Last but not least is royalty income. Royalty income comes from intellectual properties such as music, books, inventions, and patents. Even a subscription service can be a form of income. Now, unlike the first two, you don't need large sums of money to begin this revenue stream, but you do have to be creative. For the most part, we've just talked about revenue streams that require either a good amount of talent or a large sum of money. But what happens if you're one of those people that don't have a lot of money to begin investing? Here are a few ideas for additional income for those who don't have money. I did categorize it as other income because these ideas will require some work or effort. By no means is this a complete list. Visit our website, meandwealth.com, and click the article, Passive Income to Wealth, for a full list of ideas to generate additional income. But here are 6 ideas that anybody can do with any skill set. From join an affiliate marketing program, sell an ebook, create a dropshipping business, start an online store, rent out your room on Airbnb, or start a YouTube channel. These ideas will require work and effort, but they will generate additional income. Remember, passive income is here to help create financial freedom, give you more time to spend with your family, with your kids, to travel, to enjoy life. That is the reason why passive income can be so powerful. So start now. Find an idea that interests you and fits your skill set. Do the research and let us know how it works out for you. If you need assistance along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our goal is to teach you the rules of money so that you may apply those rules to your own life and begin to build long-term wealth. With that said, thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so that you're the first to know when we post videos. And go to meandwealth.com for weekly personal finance articles, videos, and newsletters. Thank you for listening and take care.